Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking on a wonderful little tour of one of my favorite places here in Monterrey, and it is called La Mexicana, and it is a taqueria located right here in the center. And let me show you around and why I love this place so much. So they got a restaurant right across the street called Los Frijoles, the beans. I have not eaten there yet, but right across on the corner is the taqueria. So let's get a little bit closer and take a look at what it's all about. Now this taqueria is unique in that it has a carniceria inside of it as well. So they sell meats in addition to tacos. And they got these wonderful little delivery vans that I love the tile work on them. They're really nice. So I think this is for catering. If you order catering for your office, they're gonna deliver in this. And now taking a look inside, as you can see, it's super spacious. It can get very, very busy, very colorful, very festive, very Mexican. And as I was saying, that's the butcher right over there. So we'll take a look at that a little bit closer later. Now they got some wonderful specials as well. They got 5 tacos for 55 pesos, which is ridiculous. Very cheap. Some wonderful aguas frescas here as well. And when ordering, you just point at the tacos that you want. These are called tacos de canasta or basket tacos. That's how they are delivered to the taqueria itself. And we're just ordering some more tacos here. I got 6 different tacos, 2 of each kind, 2 of the cebrada, 2 de chicharron, and I think the 2 of the carnitas. Really wonderful. I love the decor in this little taqueria. These murals tend to be unique to northern Mexico. They are not so common down south. But just look at these freaking tacos. Oh my god, they are so good. And don't forget to order coffee here, Café de Olla, which is cinnamon infused coffee. It's so good.
So here we are at La Mexicana, and I got my 6 tacos. I already had one. The papas is excellent. I'm gonna open one up here for you guys to see. So this is, I think, deshebrada, no? What is this? Yeah, deshebrada. And from the south side, it's super spicy. We got this wonderful coffee here. It's called Café de Olla, and it is a wonderful concoction of cinnamon and coffee. It is really, really good. So if you're here, definitely ask for Café de Olla. Let's give this taco a try. Wow. It's really good. One of my favorite places to come here in Monterrey. If you're in town, you gotta check this place out. And definitely get at least 6 to 8 tacos. Because they're really small, they're really good.
I must have devoured all of these tacos in under 2 minutes, okay? They're that good. They're super small, so I think to me it's like 1 bite, that's it. They got standing room here as well, so if you don't feel like sitting down, if it's super crowded, you can stand. Some wonderful meats in the back. I haven't bought the meats here yet, but they look really tempting. And then for boys or girls that love toys, they got some toys in the back here. It's mostly toy cars and trucks. It's a nice little touch here. Now here we are outside again, and one thing I didn't mention is that they give you this little ticket once you buy your tacos right there, and that ticket allows you to go into their dessert shop just across the street here. We'll take a look, and you can get 2 free samples, or 1 free sample with each ticket. So we got 2. And just look at all the candy. The music playing here is wonderful. I love it in here. There's a lot of tamarindo candy as well. Some really nice looking crema de guava, which looks ridiculously delicious.
These are my
And this is my favorite candy here. They're little Kahetta cookies. So it's almost like an Oreo, but it has cajetas in the middle of it. It is super, super tasty. As you can tell, I love everything with cajetas. They also have these cones stuffed with cajetas. It's really, really good. And they got these little kind of like totopos that are covered with cinnamon and honey. Really good as well. One of my favorite Mexican things. And I love the festive nature of the whole store, and both of them, they're just the colors, everything is just so wonderful. So there you have it. If you haven't checked out La Mexicana, and if you are in Monterrey, make sure to pay them a visit. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. Until next time, live long and prosper.